Are you ready to explore the significant differences between Sony's next-generation console, the PS5 Pro, and the current PS5? Let's see how the innovations and powerful hardware features of the PS5 Pro will change the gaming experience. The powerful GPU of the PS5 Pro delivers 33.5 teraflops with 30 WGP. This represents a 227% increase over the standard PS5's 10.23 teraflops. Additionally, the GPU's base clock speed of 2.18 GHz, boostable up to 2.35 GHz, enhances graphics fluidity and detail by an 8% margin. The PS5 Pro comes with DirectX 12 Ultimate support, introducing features like mesh shaders, hybrid MSAA, and variable rate shading. These advancements aim to deliver more realistic and immersive visuals in gaming. One of the standout features of the PS5 Pro is its machine learning-based reconstruction technology, known as PSSR, PlayStation Super Resolution. This technology upscales lower resolution content to native 4K or even 8K, pushing game visuals to the next level. While offering significant hardware upgrades over the PS5 Pro ensures full compatibility between both consoles. Games will seamlessly operate on both systems, with PS5 Pro-supported titles offering 45% faster GPU performance and improved visual quality. Choosing between the PS5 Pro and PS5 depends on your priorities and gaming experience preferences. If you seek a console equipped with the latest technology, high-performance graphics, and advanced features, the PS5 Pro is certainly worth considering. However, if budget and immediate access are crucial, the current PS5 remains a great option. Stay tuned for Sony's official announcements regarding the PS5 Pro, and continue following us for updates and new information.